Get it.
Rocky, you don't know what to do. Oh, she got a big feather hanging out of her mouth.
Get the taste and smell. I want to get the smell. So when she comes out, she's like,
Get it.
I want her to start sitting underneath that birdhouse with her.
Probably will.
Get it. Get it.
Mine.
Get it.
I think she knows it was alive. She's trying to see if it's alive.
Good girl.
She's going to go brush her teeth and wash her feet. Sis.
What do you think dogs do outside?
My dog doesn't do anything.
Better than eating their...
Yeah.
Hurry, quick.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Get it. Get it, girl.
Thunder, thunder.
There's a feather on her leg. She's tickling her.
You're not.
She can walk in the back.
You can do it tomorrow morning. It does not make any difference.
Tomorrow morning?
Or tomorrow night when you get home.
Get it.
Well, I was wanting to mow tomorrow night.
It's raining now.
Get it.
She goes to the bathroom in the front yard just as good as the back. Just runs it outdoors.
Good girl. Good girl. You want it. You something. I want you to want more.
It's been a big week for birds.
She has a taste. She just doesn't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, what the hell are you trying to do, Dad?
Get the bird. Get the bird. Get the bird. Get the bird. Bird, bird, bird.
You don't want her to eat it, do you? You just want her to retrieve it, right?
Yeah, basically. I want her to get the, I want her to get the smell and taste in it. So
As soon as she can track them, then you train on to bring them.
You know how they do it real soft and they blow them out?
that's a leap.
She's like, ooh, I got a wing.
As long as she gets like the smell, she knows what the smell is. Then when she comes out here, she'll smell the one gonna.
Artist's head's almost off. She's
Yeah,
like,
I know. She's got most of it off.
I'll take it back and throw it in the bag.